Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners. So today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can delete your Etoro account. To delete your account, simply first of all open the account that you want to actually delete, and after you have opened up your account, here on the profile section on the left hand side, scroll down until you see the settings option. After you see the settings option, you simply go on to account, and after going on to account, if you scroll down, you will see a option for close your Etoro account. Simply click on this and you can see that this kind of pop will appear. From here, click on the reason that why you want to leave this Etoro application or Etoro platform. After that, write your comments, and after writing your comments, simply click on continue, and then you'll be able to close your account on Etoro. And that is an easy process on how you can delete your Etoro account. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find the information of our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. Don't forget to leave a comment. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.